Let's fill out the Idaho boat bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're handling a boat bill of sale in this state, here are the key things you need to know. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. The bill of sale must be signed by the owner or applicant, so make sure that signature is there before anything moves forward. Now, about the seller. The seller will need to title the vessel in his name, so that step is important to have sorted out as part of this process. When it comes to the sale price, you'll want to have that purchase price clearly documented, because this state calculates a fee at 6% of the purchase price. So accuracy here really matters. And if there's a lien holder involved, keep in mind that the lien holder must not appear on the application for title. So any lien situation needs to be resolved before you submit that paperwork. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.